How to change manager on eFootball 2025 mobile. Now if you want to change manager on eFootball 25 mobile, first we have to see what kind of managers do we have. Now over the years I've happened to buy many managers. I can go to my team, go to managers. You can see I have got 6 managers right here. Pep Guardiola right here has possession game. The other one that I use, Louis A. Roman. There's also Pep Guardiola but the unlicensed version of him. So he also has possession game. You have got Xavi Alonso who plays quick counter style in 88. So what we can do to change these managers between the game, not between the game but before you start the game, is you come back to back option right here. You go to game plan. Here you will see your current manager right here, right? So all you have to do is tap on the current manager just like this, tap on change manager, and here you can simply go ahead and then choose any of the other managers that you prefer right in this case. Now because this manager does not have boosters, so I don't actually use them personally, what I just do is I just change the manager and I choose this particular one that also has booster enabled, so it increases the rating of my players overall. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.